How to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code on Windows. For that, first of all, you will need to open the settings or the applications, or you may also open the control panel of your Windows. Simply click on the search bar at the bottom and there type in control panel. Once you locate the control panel, click on it. And here, click on the Programs option. Simply click on this Programs option from here, and inside it, look for Programs and Features. Once you click on it, now you'll be presented with the programs that has been installed on your device. From here, you can search for Visual Studio Code. You may also scroll down to search it, or you may also click on the search bar at the top right, and there type in Visual Studio Code. Within a while, you'll be able to see the search results. Once you find it, simply right-click on the Visual Studio Code and then click on Install. A pop-up menu will appear in order to confirm. Click on Yes in order to proceed further. Once after doing that, you will see you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on Windows. In order to completely remove all the VS Code files, you will need to click on this OK button in this pop-up and also delete the folders from your system in order to remove user settings and extensions. For that, you can use the Windows plus R key from your keyboard, and in this text box at the bottom left, here type in %app data %. Once you have entered it, press on the enter key to search for it, and now from here, locate the code folder. Once you find it, right click on it and click on this dustbin icon from the menu. By doing so, you'll be able to remove it. Once removing, again press on Windows plus R key, and then here now type in %, user profile, and again %. Now press on enter. Now from here you will need to locate the VS Code folder. Once you locate this VS Code folder, simply right click on it and then select the dustbin icon. By doing so, you will be able to remove all the leftover configuration folders of VS Code from your system. So by following these steps, you should be able to install Visual Studio Code from your Windows completely. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.